Hi, if you're looking for information about Telcoin, then you are very lucky. You are on the right video. We have collected a lot of interesting information about this project, the history of its creation, how it works, and how millions of dollars are earned with it. Without taking a lot of your time, we will quickly and clearly tell you many useful facts about Telcoin. Also below the video, we will leave you a link to buy TEL cryptocurrency. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and watch our other videos. Stay tuned, we are getting started.
Telcoin is a project that has been in development since 2017, but only recently attracted the attention of traders. Its token TEL has now appreciated by more than 80,000%. It is based on the Ethereum blockchain and is intended to be used as a payment protocol that uses mobile payments to provide borderless transfers similar to Western Union, but at a much lower cost. It positions itself as the first cryptocurrency to exploit the synergy provided by the capabilities of mobile operators and the fast, borderless nature of the blockchain. Telcoin aims to benefit by providing Telcoin to mobile service partners in exchange for giving their customers seamless access to the growing digital economy. In short, they seek to provide access to international money transfers, payments, and e-commerce. Telcoin's goal is not to compete with the big mobile industry, but to provide collaborative solutions that can help deliver mobile money to users through cryptocurrency-enabled solutions, and its unique and easy-to-use mobile wallet. Telcoin developers believe that they can become part of the global financial system by offering mobile money solutions in partnership with mobile operators.
Although things are improving, cryptocurrencies still suffer from serious trust issues among the mainstream population. While the instantaneous nature of blockchain transactions offers some advantages, it also opens the door for hackers to gain control of funds. Telcoin not only aims to increase the use of its own services, but also believes it can help increase the overall proliferation of cryptocurrencies. It believes that once Telcoin ecosystem users see how secure and useful it is, they will also become more interested in other cryptocurrencies.
Through partnership with existing carriers, Telcoin hopes to leverage existing levels of trust with its customers as a bridge between cryptocurrency and mobile money. As a default security layer, the Telcoin wallet includes a multi-signature component where Telcom and Telcoin each have a key and user has a third key. This prevents large amounts of TEL from being moved without two of the wallet's three keys, thereby protecting users' funds. Telcoin also plans to work with the telecom companies to implement all existing security measures available to protect users. And since Telcoin is focused on incorporating compliance measures with telecommunications, the digital asset should not attract criminals in the first place. By maintaining a clean image, Telcoin believes that it can build a trustworthy brand over time.
Despite the desire for privacy among many early adopters of cryptocurrencies, most centralized exchanges now require onerous processes and know your customer authorization before they will allow you the purchase of cryptocurrency for fiat. Telcoin plans to get around this by using their existing KYC compliance through telecom companies' agreements with their customers. They thought they could use the telecom operators' existing KYC compliance with regulators, thereby alleviating the serious problem associated with the use of cryptocurrencies.
Telcoin has added a KYC feature to their wallet. They were able to do this by partnering with the leading identity authentication platform Jumio. Jumio's artificial intelligence-based technology, which has been integrated into the Telcoin app, allows users around the world to simply upload a photo of their government ID and take selfies to verify their identity. KYC enables Telcoin to meet emerging regulatory requirements and is an important step towards providing compliant remittances to users around the world. This compliance-focused strategy will allow them to quickly add seamless payment systems for fiat payments around the world, as well as expand digital asset capabilities in parallel. This is also important for plans to reach the US market. In the meantime, Telcoin will continue to work to leverage the existing KYC in the telecom industry for mobile money access, working with telecom companies to meet the standards required for cryptocurrency. By working with telecom companies, Telcoin seeks to address key trust, marketing, and compliance issues that have hindered the adoption of cryptocurrency to date.
Now that cryptocurrencies are part of the financial system, regulators face increasing pressure to include them in monetary policy. This is because national security is tied to monetary policy, and despite the powerful lobbying nature of the banking system, cryptocurrencies are increasingly accepted and used. This has led to the acceptance of cryptocurrencies in many jurisdictions around the world, and their numbers are growing.
Governments around the world are increasingly accepting cryptocurrencies, but at the same time, they see the need to regulate them more tightly, to levy taxes that far overweigh initial concerns about the potential threat of cryptocurrencies. In this case, Telcoin believes that once a telecom company receives regulatory approval to provide mobile money, and once the government provides regulatory approval or a legal framework for cryptocurrency as a regulated taxable asset, there will be minimal regulatory barriers to the establishment of a telecom company exchange opportunity with Telcoin. In the meantime, the Telcoin wallet has separated the two currencies, cryptocurrency and fiat currency, to avoid potential regulatory barriers to the creation of Telcoin and its telecom partners' remittance corridors.
Mobile operators are expected to benefit from Telcoin because it differentiates them and makes them more attractive to those who value cryptocurrency use and other uses promised by Telcoin, such as remittances and roaming payments. Mobile operators are also expected to benefit from the wider adoption of mobile money, as it provides them with a very good return on investment. Telcoin is working to position itself as a partner with telecom companies in the mobile money ecosystem and hopes to promote wider adoption of both mobile money and cryptocurrency.
On the commercial side, Telcoin benefits by collecting a transaction fee whenever a TEL is purchased from or sold to a mobile operator. A 0.5% fee will be applied at the time of conversion. Telcoin also plans to fix exchange spreads whenever a mobile operator buys or sells TEL from Telcoin in exchange for fiat currency. However, telcos may need to buy or sell TEL. If their subscribers buy and sell an equal amount of TEL, they will provide their liquidity. However, in the event of an imbalance in incoming and outgoing remittances, Telcoin can apply a spread to help manage the risk of the secondary market, forex and TELs. These spreads will depend on the currency market, the degree of currency imbalance and the liquidity and volatility of TEL in the secondary markets, but will be designed conservatively and are expected to generate moderate returns from these activities.
According to an official document, Telcoin does not charge a transfer fee. Instead, there is a 0.5% conversion fee between TEL and mobile money. Thus, the total transfer fee will be 1%, as the sender will be charged 0.5% when converting to TEL, and another 0.5% when converting from TEL to mobile money. In general, Telcoin expects transaction fees to be below 2%, and that's impossible when the white paper was published in 2017, but that is not the case now.
TEL is an ERC20 token, which means that users must pay a gas fee on the Ethereum network for any TEL transfer. When the white paper was published, this gas fee was about 25 cents, which kept the cost transfers fairly low at 1% plus 25 cents. However, with DeFi rising in 2020, the gas fee for transfers on the Ethereum network could be as high as $40 or more in some cases. When you consider that remittance services like Telcoin are likely to be used to send smaller amounts of less than $1,000, you'll soon see Ethereum's gas fees to be significant. Of course, Telcoin is instantaneous and much more convenient than traditional money transfer channels, so perhaps these additional costs in the form of Ethereum gas fees won't scare users away. And once Ethereum fully converts to Ethereum 2.0, gas costs should return to a manageable level.
The Telcoin wallet was designed to be as easy to use as possible, which makes sense since it is expected to be used by a group of people who are not familiar with cryptocurrencies, private keys, and wallet addresses. Setting up the wallet is easy, as all it requires is a cell phone number and a 6-digit PIN. The user then has to take a picture of their state ID and take selfies. And then the wallet handles the entire KYC process without having to fill out endless forms. It's a process that really can be messed with.
Once the wallet is created, the toolbar is very simple. The only button to worry about is Send Money at the bottom of the screen. Even on the settings page, there are only a few settings to get notifications. There's nothing to fuss with and nothing to clutter up the interface or confuse new users. Sending TEL tokens allows you to send messages to an ERC20 address if you are familiar with this method and familiar with it, but it also has a much simpler method, which is to send to a phone number. Again, this is perfect for a new user who is unfamiliar with cryptocurrency. Of course, with a huge increase in fees for the Ethereum network, it would be nice if there was a screen with advanced options that would allow you to set the amount of gas, but the interface is still clean and easy to use. Note that as of May 2021, approval for new wallets is slow because of the huge volumes, and the team only approves accounts for those that are in the target corridors.
The TEL token was offered during the ICO in December 2017. Out of a total offering of 100 billion, 20 billion were offered for sale at $0.0013, each with a soft cap of $10 million and a hard cap of $25 million.
With TL tokens currently selling at half a cent, initial ICO investors have a return of nearly 4,000%. However, they had to hold out for some tough times, as the token began trading in January 2018 and steadily declined until it bottomed at $0.00006516 in March 2020. From there, the upward moment began. But it wasn't until February 2021 that the TL coin took off. The catalyst for the rally was the release of the Telcoin V2 mobile app, which included the first remittance corridor for the project and proved that the potential for success exists. Since then, the token has skyrocketed and is up more than 80,000% from its March 2020 low, which is pretty incredible even in the volatile cryptocurrency space. TEL is not listed on many exchanges, but trades on KuCoin. It is also available on several DEX, including 1inch, Balancer, and most recently QuickSwap.
Thanks for watching this video. Check out the channel for more videos.